English Easy Speaking.
Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster and boost your speaking skills quickly?
We can speak English.
Then, welcome to our new English practice video. In this lesson, you'll train your brain to speak English more fluently. We'll follow a fun 4-part structure. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. Stay with me, repeat out loud, and by the end, you'll feel more confident speaking English. Are you ready? Let's get started.
First, you'll listen to a short conversation between two friends. They've just finished a workout, and they're deciding what to do next.
Phew, that workout really wiped me out.
Yeah. I'm exhausted. My legs feel like jelly.
Same here. You know what would hit the spot right now?
What?
A smoothie. I'm craving something cold and fruity.
Sounds perfect. What flavor are you getting?
Mango, always mango.
Nice. I'll go for strawberry.
Great. After that, let's just head home and rest.
Agreed. My couch is calling my...
Part 2, vocabulary.
Now, let's learn some useful words and phrases from the conversation.
Workout. Exercise you do to get strong and stay healthy.
Example: I go for a workout at the gym 3 times a week.
Good workout?
Okay, it's workout. It's workout.
Good workout.
Wiped out. Extremely tired, with no energy left.
Example: after the long hike, we were completely wiped out.
We're wiped out.
Wiped out. It up.
Hit the spot. Something that feels especially good when you're tired, hungry, or thirsty.
Example: this ice-cold water really hits the spot after a run.
Hit the spot.
That hits the spot.
Remember, repetition is the key to fluency. Watch this video more than once. Answer the questions out loud. And keep practicing every day. The more you repeat, the faster you'll improve.
Part 3, listen and answer practice.
Now, let's check your understanding of the conversation. I'll ask questions, you answer out loud before I reveal the correct answer. Phew, that workout really wiped me out.
Yeah. I'm exhausted. My legs feel like jelly.
What had Emma and Jake just finished doing? They had just finished exercising.
Phew, that workout really wiped me out.
Yeah. I'm exhausted. My legs feel like jelly.
Same here.
How did Emma feel after the workout? She was wiped out, very tired.
A smoothie. I'm craving something cold and fruity.
What did Emma crave after the workout? A smoothie.
Mango, always mango.
What flavor smoothie did Emma choose? Mango.
I'll go for strawberry.
What flavor smoothie did Jake choose? Strawberry.
After that, let's just head home and rest.
What did they plan to do after getting smoothies? Go home and rest. What does hit the spot mean in this context? Something that feels especially satisfying when you're tired, hungry, or thirsty.
Great job! Keep answering out loud, your brain learns faster that way.
Part 4, shadowing practice.
Now, it's time for shadowing practice. Repeat each line right after you hear it. Focus on the rhythm and the way the words rise and fall. Phew, that workout really wiped me out. Same here. You know what would hit the spot right now? A smoothie. I'm craving something cold and fruity. Mango, always mango. Great. After that, let's just head home and rest.
Yeah. I'm exhausted. My legs feel like jelly. What? Sounds perfect. What flavor are you getting? Nice. I'll go for strawberry. Agreed. My couch is calling my name.
Well done, you've completed all 4 parts of today's English speaking practice. Repeat this video every day for 1 week, and you'll notice a big improvement in your listening and speaking skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out another practice video right here. Keep going, your English will get better and better. See you next time.